In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Asana board. This process is perfect if you want to back up your project data or work with it outside the Asana platform. Let's dive in and break it down step by step, ensuring you can follow along with ease. To kick things off, grab your preferred web browser and navigate to Asana's login page. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage, the central hub where all your projects are housed. It's a neat and organized space designed to give you a clear overview of your tasks and responsibilities. From the homepage, your next task is to pinpoint the specific project you want to export. Simply scroll through your projects and click on the one you're interested in. A quick tip: make sure you have the necessary permissions to access and export the project. If you're ever unsure about your access rights or which project is relevant to you, don't hesitate to touch base with your team or check your project management dashboard. A little verification can save you a lot of time. With your project open, focus your attention on the top section of the project interface. Here, you're looking for the Actions drop-down menu, typically nestled in the toolbar area. Clicking on this menu unfolds a list of available actions. What you're focusing on here is the Sync Export option, your gateway to working with your data outside of Asana. Upon selecting the Sync Export button, you'll see several file type options presented to you. Now, for many users, exporting as a CSV file is a go-to option. Why? Simply because CSV files are highly compatible with most spreadsheet programs and databases, making them ideal for further data manipulation and analysis. If CSV suits your purpose, click on the option to export as CSV file. Asana will then kick off the process of generating your file. Patience is key here. Once the file is prepped and ready, you'll see a notification to download it directly to your device. Keep an eye out for the download notification in your browser. It usually appears in your Downloads bar, allowing you to grab your file instantly. When saving your file, choose a location on your device that is easy to remember and access later on. This way, you'll have it ready whenever you need to dive back into project analysis or share insights with your team. And there you have it. You've successfully exported an Asana board. Remember, regularly exporting your data can be incredibly beneficial. It allows you to review project progress, share valuable insights with your team, and prepare comprehensive reports without hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If any questions arise, or if you seek further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy exporting.